Looking for the best padlocks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 padlocks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Padlock 140D Padlock. Straightforward lock with brass construction that's practical for mid-level applications. Can be used outdoors, since it doesn't tend to rust or corrode. Competitive price and good value. A low-cost, easy-to-use lock by a top brand that suits a majority of popular user needs. May not be ideal for tough tasks, like prolonged exposure to wet and cold. At number 2. Padlock Stainless Steel Discus Padlock. Classic discus design with limited shackled exposure offers added protection from tampering. Solid build is suited for a wide variety of uses, indoors and outdoors. Padlock has been a trusted name in locks for generations, and this affordable model is no exception. Its popular design and craftsmanship make it the best value. May not work with extra thick items that require a wider shackle. At number 1. Granit Extreme Security Insurance Lock. Boasts heavy-duty features that stand up to almost any use: core-hardened lock body and shackle, hardened steel construction, and 25,000 pound prying pressure capacity. Easy to use, difficult to pick. Beats the competitors on nearly every front: strength, security, and versatility. If you need a powerful padlock, this is it. May be vulnerable to bolt cutters, if used to protect storage lockers or gates. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.